Hello, did you order a Lyft?
Yeah, I did.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm pretty good, you know, just trying to pay the bills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? On my Lyft, it wasn't getting my card. It just said decline. I was just wondering if I could like Venmo you instead.
You just canceled it. Why'd you cancel the ride?
Oh, because my card isn't working. So like I was thinking maybe.
Well, it's through the app.
I know. I just like it's not working, and I was wondering if I could maybe like use Venmo or something.
They really don't want us paying outside of the app for safety reasons.
But it's just Venmo. I mean, I'm gonna Venmo you like right now.
Yeah, but the ride's not gonna be tracked, and I mean, if there's an accident, like insurance is not gonna cover it. So
I mean, it's fine. I have car insurance. You know, like if anything, we could put.
But you're not driving. I mean, it's my car.
It's okay. Like I'll drive. You know, in an accident, I'll just.
I mean, it's only a 20-minute ride. I'm sure nothing will happen.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine.
Okay, so you're gonna Venmo me?
Yeah, let me try Venmoing you.
All right, let me know when you have it ready so I can like give you my info.
Okay, what's your Venmo?
So it's just my name. It's
okay. On the Lyft.
Yeah, just use my name on the Lyft app.
Okay. You know what? It's actually declining as well, like on my Venmo.
Your Venmos?
Yeah. Can I get this ride for free? I really need to get to this place.
You want a free ride?
Yeah, we can be friends or something, and I can buy you lunch later.
You wanna be friend? I mean, it's a 20-minute ride. Like, I need to kind of like make money because I'm trying to, you know,
yeah, but
pay the bills.
You can get money on the next ride.
I mean, if I did this to everyone, then I would never make any money.
Yeah, but this is me. I'm, you know.
Well, I don't know you. The thing is, I don't know you.
We can get to know each other. I can give you my phone number, and then we can go hang out or something, right?
I don't know. It sounds a little sketchy.
Come on, we can be friends. Like, I really need this ride. Like, I really need to get to the place that I need to go to. Please.
I mean, you are pretty attractive.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we can hang out. We can do whatever you want and stuff like that. Like,
you're not just like trying to scam me for a ride, right? Because it's happened to me before.
No. I'm literally trying to like get this ride going. I just don't know why my car's declining. Like, I have money in my account. I just don't know why it's been declining so much. It's so weird.
I mean,
like, it's so weird.
You know what? I don't believe you at all. I feel like you do this way too often, so I'm gonna kick you out.
Wait, no, you can't do that. I'm literally, what am I gonna do? Like, I can't get a Lyft or anything like that. I'm already inside the car.
I need to make money, you know. I got bills to pay, so you're kind of wasting my time, and I'm not gonna put up with this. I feel like you just use your looks to get free stuff, so I don't feel like being on that end of the stick. So you can get out.
Whatever, you're a loser anyways. You're such a loser.
Yeah, gaslighter.